Hey guys, welcome to the chapter 3 in the module YouTube ads. In this module, we want to study about scripts. Guys, for any video, writing a script is the most important thing, right? Your script needs to be clear, structured, focusing on the audience, giving them value, keeping them hooked every few minutes. That's really, really important. The first thing that you need to do here is to understand your competitors. We need to understand what type of scripts, what type of language, what type of videos, what type of content all of these guys are using to attract their customers. Basis their engagement on those videos, we can identify what type of scripts actually work for these type of audiences. That's number one. Number two, you have to also study all those brands who are also selling to the same audiences. They might not be our competitors, but they are targeting the same audiences. They are attracting the same audiences. So they know the pulse of the audience. They know what the audiences want, what they're looking for. So we need to identify these things first. Once we narrow down on these things, we need to have a clear hang of who are we trying to sell? What are we trying to sell them? What are we trying to talk about? And then start creating a script. Now, the script creating process is slightly difficult. It takes a lot of time, a lot of efforts, but luckily for us, there are so many tools out there in the market today that makes our life really easy. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of tools over here that will help us create these scripts and make our life really easy when it comes to script writing, right? So the first tool that I want you guys to go to is go to Rytr, right? So Rytr again is a free AI writing tool that helps you create amazing topics. Topic, guys, is the most important thing. Unless you get the topic right, everything else will not be in shape, right? So that's why we will go to Rytr, sign up over here, right? And we will ask Rytr to help us create with the script. So now, once you are signed up, you will come to this section where it says new document. And I'm going to name document YouTube, or let's say just put my name on this document to keep it really simple. All right. Now, let's say, for example, guys, I'm trying to build a business around the idea that I am trying to pitch to business owners how digital marketing can actually help to grow their businesses, right? So, you want to use English as your language. You can select a tone, what type of tone you want. I actually want convincing because my objective is to convince business owners. I want a video idea, but you have a lot of other things that you can actually build from this particular script, right? And let's say, for example, keywords that I want to be a part of this particular thing is digital marketing for business. I can say small business marketing. Um, all right, I think we are good with that, right? You want one variant, but in fact, you can go for multiple. And creativity should be optimal, none, etc., right? So let's go with optimal. I think that's pretty simple. And then I will ask you to write for me, right? Now, why every small business needs digital marketing? 5 proven strategies to grow your brand online, right? And you can see the word count, character count, etc. here. Why every small business needs digital marketing? Proven strategies to grow your brand online. And this is slightly different. Grow your brand online versus we have boost your growth online, right? So this one looks pretty straightforward. Why every small business needs digital marketing? It sort of covers my keyword as well. 5 proven strategies to grow your business online, right? I think this topics is really good. We can in fact get more topics as well. We can keep trying and playing around with this. But I think I'm happy with the topic that I have right now. Once I have this topic, guys, I'm just gonna right click and copy this particular topic, right? And then I'm gonna go on another tool, right? Which is called as Restream.io, right? So you can just search for Restream.io, or you can just search for, in fact, Restream script generator. And once you see AI YouTube script generator online free, this is exactly where you come. And then here it wants the topic of your YouTube video. So this is exactly my topic where why every small business needs to go for digital marketing, 5 proven strategies. You can be professional, friendly, funny, simple, all these ways. Let's try for professional. And I'm going to hit on generate a script, right? And it All right, so I have reached my daily limit, but let me try with a different account. Yep. So here we are in my different account where I can just put the topic name and I want the tone to be professional and I can just click on generate a script, right? Please try again with a different setting. There seems to be a problem. I'm just going to try and generate the script again. All right, this is trying to cut me out completely, but I already have a script generated through this. So here you can see, okay, let me try this in a different place. All right, so now you can see that this particular tool is generating the entire script for me, and it says it will take 30 seconds for me to get the entire script done, right? And you can see how fast it is going about creating an entire script which can be used for YouTube directly with this particular tool, right? And just in about a couple of seconds, we're going to be done, right? It's taking slightly longer than 30 seconds because we've kept a very detailed headline, right? The topic name, which is very clear. And that's why it is doing this for me. But in about a couple of seconds, we should be done. This script, right, actually helps us create amazing videos right from the script itself, right? And it's facing certain issue. Let me try generating a script again. And just give it a quick second to load. All right. So meanwhile, what I will do is I will show you another script that I have already generated. And it's supposed to be here. Let me just quickly try and log in. Yep. And I'm not looking for any plans right now. And here, if you can see, I have a script ready. Mm-hmm. All right. This tool is clearly acting up, right? But Rescript.ai will basically Restream.ai will basically enter and make the entire script for you, right? So I'll just quickly show you that I have a script ready. I have saved it in a notepad. Here you can see in my notepad, this is the script. The topic is slightly different because I tried it with a different topic where how you can create an amazing YouTube video, right? But it's showing an introduction where visuals, opening line, etc. You know your audience. So your first tip is basically introduction, which is visuals. Then tip one is know your audience. Then you have a tip two, which is keep it structured, make it conversational, focus on the opening, call to action, conclusion. All of this is already mentioned here, right? And this script, the minute I put it on the right tools, it will generate an amazing video for me, right? Now, before we focus on the AI video as well, I want another thing. I just need to copy this script and bring it down to my chat GPT and just give a very simple prompt based on the script below, which is generated by Restream. Can you help me create a voice over for the entire script, right? And I'm going to paste the script here. So it will analyze the entire script and it will just generate a voiceover for me, right? And then you can use this voiceover, right? Intro, voiceover, hi everyone, upbeat, friendly, etc. It's saying tip one. So all I want to tell here is I just want the voiceover, don't need anything else. So I don't want tips. I don't want all of the other instruction because we need only the pure voice over to be pasted to another tool to generate the video. right? So just give it a quick second. And now you can see, hey, everyone, if you're looking to generate engaging, effective YouTube videos, the first step is second, 3, 4, 5. And this is how it will generate the entire thing. So now I have two things very handy. First is an entire script for a video. The second thing I have is a voiceover, right? So in the next chapter of the same module, we will understand how do we use this script and how do we use this voiceover and make amazing videos that we can use on YouTube. So stay tuned for the next chapter.